Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to do something really different and creative. So usually we use white paper for painting, white canvas just for creating an art piece, but today in this video we are going to use black paper and we are going to paint on a black sheet. Most of us are usually working with white paper, white canvas, any white surface, and we usually use it to create art. But today we are going to use black paper. So if you want to see what I create, please keep on watching. So before we begin, let's talk about the materials that we are going to use. So for the black paper, I'm going to use this Canson extra black drawing book. So it's extra black, double-sided, textured and smooth, and it's 150 GSM. Usually for watercolors I use 300 GSM, but this one is 150 GSM, which is not bad if you're using dry mediums or not totally watercolors but acrylics or gouache paints. So it's good for that also. So you can see the texture, it's really nice. And this is the first that we're going to paint. So that's an astronaut sitting on the moon, and we are going to make some galaxy vibes at the background. And for the paints I'm going to use, I have my gouache paints. I don't know if I will be using them or not, but I've still opened for giving some highlights. And I have my oil pastels also. I have this white coloring pencil from Crayola, and pencil, and white and gray acrylic markers, which I think will be very useful in this one, and water and brushes, of course. These are all the products that we are going to use for today's video, and I'm really excited to do this one.
All I want
my god, it was such a different experience of painting today on the black paper. I hope this inspires you also and you will try something like this and experiment your creativity. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell notification icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Happy painting.